Alright, so first I'm going to be making the AND gate. So I will start by plugging in power to the circuit. We're going to plug in the red wire to the power and the black one to the ground. Next, I'll start by plugging in my transistors, putting them in a series so that way we can make the AND logic. Like so. Next, I'll plug in the LED connected to the end of the transistors. And now I'll plug in the wires connecting the power to the base in a moment. You get the smaller wire like this, and then I will plug in the power to connect the power to the circuit, like so. As you can see, it is on. If I unplug one, it is off. If I unplug both, it is off. And if I plug in the other one, it will still be off. If I plug in it all together one last time, it stays on, making AND logic. Alright, so this circuit now will be the OR logic. So I will first start by plugging in the powers, like so, or plug in the power. Next, I'm going to start by putting in the transistors and putting these into a parallel series, like this. And then I'm going to start connecting some wires. So the first wire I'm going to connect will be to the first transistor and its base. The next one I'm going to connect will be the power line to the second transistor. And then I'll plug in the next wire to connect to the transistor and its base. And the next one after that will be the power from the emitter of the first transistor to the end of the circuit, where we're going to plug in the LED, plugging it in like so, and then plugging in our power to the circuit. Move this one wire over real quick, and there we go. As you can see, the circuit is on with both lights. If I remove one, it will still be on. If I remove the other, it is still on. If I remove both, it is off, making the OR logic gate. And one more time, I will plug it in and to show that it is still on. See? That is our OR logic gate. Alright, so this one is going to be the NOT logic gate. So first I'll start by connecting the power and the ground to the circuit, or to the breadboard. Next, I'll plug in my transistor right here. I'll follow that with an LED over on the opposite side of the board. And then connect this to the power like so. Then I'm going to connect this line to the emitter to the ground. Now I will apply power to the base, or to the transistor, I'm sorry. As you can see, it is on right now. Now if I apply power apply power to the base, it will turn off. Again, remove the power, it is on. Add power, it is off. That is the NOT logic gate.